Hey everybody, Tom Needles, Keller Williams Platinum Partners on a groovy Food for Thought Friday. As you can tell, I'm still rocking the old facial hair from our 70s party that we had at Lot of Smoke. Huge turnout for that. Thank you all. Comment below if you think you should have a groovy realtor working for you. Today's discussion: smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. And I know what you're thinking. You hate that noise. Yep, it's telling me to test. You hate that noise. You stick your smoke detectors up and that noise cheeps, cheeps, cheeps. And oh my gosh, you cook a kitchen inferno and all of a sudden the smoke's bellowing out and you're like, I hate this dang smoke alarm. So you pull those batteries out. But what you've done is run a chance of that smoke alarm then not working for you when you rightfully need it. Now, smoke alarms, you need to have one installed inside your bedrooms, one outside your sleeping area, on each floor. And what I really like, this is what I have right here, is a smoke and carbon monoxide detector. So what we do is we have one on our main level floor along with the carbon monoxide because we have a gas stove. So what's carbon monoxide? It's that slow killer, the silent killer, the smellless killer. In essence, what happens is, like on a furnace or like on a hot water heater, you have a flue pipe that goes up. Well, let's just say snow, let's just say a squirrel, let's just say something blocks that exhaust pipe. Now all of a sudden your furnace, your hot water heater turns on, gas goes up, carbon monoxide goes up, and it has nowhere to go but right back down that flue and inside the house. And unfortunately, without a carbon monoxide detector, you will have no idea what's going on. And so what I recommend is multiple smoke alarms, carbon monoxide detector, plus a smoke alarm when you need it. You can buy variety packs there at Home Depot. There are specific locations on where to install, how to install, on the wall, up on the ceiling, however you want to do it. Make sure you follow the code. If you don't know, call the electrician, have them come out and take a look at it. But a gentle reminder, change those batteries in those smoke detectors. Change them every 10 years. They do have a life expectancy, 10 years. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching Tommy Needles Food for Thought Friday. Enjoy this groovy Friday, as I know I will. Talk to you soon.